I'm a firm believer that you have to know where you're going to end up. You can make it up in the middle as you go. And in fact, that's part of the fun. Being surprised by your characters and having unexpected things happen, and having people who you didn't plan on being there show up, and people who you planned on being there not showing up. But you always have to know where you're going to end. Otherwise, the story meanders and you never get anywhere. Well, for me, it's get up at fairly early, 5:30 to 6, stumble into the kitchen, make coffee. Once the coffee's finished and I've glanced at the headlines, sit down, get in front of the computer, and then wait to see what happens next. I didn't really think about the overall 30-book arc until I hit the last series. And that's when I started thinking, oh, I'm actually sort of getting towards the end, the last third of the story. And that's when I really started having to think very hard about how the last book would end and how it would all wrap up. After the Demon War, we're getting into the last Rift War that I'm going to write about. It's called the Chaos War, and it is absolutely the culmination of everything that's come before. And it will resolve, I hope, all of the unanswered questions that people have been bugging me to explain for the last 28 years.